When I installed Zotero standalone for the Mac, all went swimmingly well, except for the Firefox extension wasn't working. So I came back here to the downloads page and clicked on Firefox, and it told me that Firefox prevented this site from asking you to install. So I'm going to click allow. And it's just because of the security settings that I had. It was a little bit more protective. And so I want to now install it. It's just installing it by itself and it'll be installed after I restart. So I'm going to click restart and it sees that I have a Zotero library. So that's good. Would we like that to be to import them from Zotero standalone? I'm going to choose yes because I've got it running in the background. And then now I can see that Zotero is running there. There's my little Zotero add-in. When I click it, it opens. I click it again, it closes. All is working well in Firefox with the Zotero add-in.